So now this horizontal plane Rainman problem is over. Now we are going to switching into the technique. I mean, I was discussing this method 2 over there. This method 2 is nothing actually. So the relative velocity along x direction, if you check they are opposite to each other, so it will be 3 plus 2. That is equal to 5 meter per second. Y component of relative velocity remains unchanged. It will remain as 4 only. So then also you get an inverse 5 by 4. Anyway, so now we are moving on to a different kind of example. Let us say now we are dealing with inclined planes, right? Suppose here is an inclined plane. With inclination theta, let us say, and we are assuming that the rain is falling vertically below. Correct. Let us say this is V rain with respect to ground, and a person is trying to move up in this direction. That is velocity of man with respect to ground. Correct. Okay. So what will be the circumstance that we want to check? You see here that this is the direction in which rain is falling with respect to ground. This is V rain with respect to ground, and this is the direction in which the person is moving actually. This is V man with respect to ground. Okay. So I have to take the opposite vector. So this will be minus of V man with respect to ground. Right? That means this will be the resultant. Oh. So this direction will be velocity of the rain as appearing to the man. Now if I take this angle to be phi or alpha, let us take this angle to be alpha. I have already taken this angle to be alpha theta, if you see. Correct. So what we have to do here now, I have to express these two vector. I will write velocity of rain with respect to ground. If I write vector is equal to, let us say I'm simply writing VR, and the direction is along minus j cap. You can clearly see it is vertically down, so minus j cap, right? And velocity of man with respect to ground is equal to, if you see this direction, then this is also going to be theta. So this is cos theta component, and here it will be sin theta component. So I can write Vm cos theta minus I cap plus Vm sin theta j cap. Right? We already know that velocity of rain as appearing to the man is equal to velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So if I just make a little bit rearrangement, you check this minus of minus will make it plus, this cos component will make it plus. So we can write Vm cos theta I cap, and this minus will already stay, this will also become minus. So I can write minus of Vr plus Vm sin theta j cap. Right? So here this angle I have expressed to be alpha. So now I can write tan alpha is equal to, you check this angle alpha. So this angle alpha I have taken with the vertical. So this is the x component. What is the x component? X component is this much. This much is the x component. So that is Vm cos theta. Right now. And what is the y component? This entire is a y component. Right. So Vy will be equal to this term. So I can write tan alpha is equal to Vm cos theta divided by Vr plus Vm sin theta. Is that okay? Understood? If there is any doubt, feel free to go for it. Yes, Mr. Divit Reddy.
Sir, velocity of man with respect to ground we have taken negative direction, sir.
I'm not getting. Tell me.
Velocity of man with respect to ground we have taken in negative direction, sir. Then
Where?
that minus Vm with respect
This
to
one.
ground.
This one is actual velocity direction of the man
Yes,
with
sir.
respect to ground. This is the opposite direction. This one.
So we have to take opposite direction, sir, while calculating Vm minus Vm cos theta.
kya babua? What is this component? This is x component. This is plus or minus?
Yes, sir.
You take this is the original velocity of the man with respect to ground. So its x component is coming towards minus x. I have written minus x.
Yes, sir.
Right? Its y component is coming around plus y. So I have taken plus y. Ardhamaida?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishikesh?
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
Further up. This much.
From method to
Which method?
down, sir. Method 2.
The method 2. Idi. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, scroll down.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. In the previous cases, the man is going in a straight line, sir, with no deviation.
Yes.
In this case, he is moving with a deviation of angle theta.
Yes. In all other cases, those persons used to live in the plain areas. Here we are taking specially from the Garos, Himachal, Arunachal Pradesh.
Oh, Himalayas.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Bhanu?
Sir, there was an internet issue. Can you explain once more, sir? What is this?
Which one?
This method 2.
Method 2. Method 2, I just taking the relative velocity. This is not method 2. This is a complete different example.
Okay, sir.
This is a different example I have taken. Okay, what happens when a person is moving along the inclined plane, right?
And this situation is still raining, sir, or no?
Yeah. It's still raining. It's raining very heavily.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Harshit? Okay, fine. Chalo. So now I'm giving you one thing that is just opposite case of it, and you try to do it so that you get a perfect clarity what we are doing here. So now what you do now? So you do like this. Take this inclined surface. I am taking this angle as alpha. There is one person. Now he's coming down. Okay. So this is V woman. She's coming down. And the rainfall is still same. It is in the vertical direction. This is V rain with respect to ground. Correct. So replicate the previous case. Replicate the previous case. Chalo, do it. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, one time scroll up, sir.
Yeah.
Diagram.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Now you can scroll down.
So all of you try. Nothing, just vector diagram. Just represent the vector diagram. Yogananda.
Sir, I got it, sir. The
Okay.
velocity of the rain with respect to man is v sin velocity of the woman into sin theta minus velocity of the rain j cap
Okay.
minus v v man sin cos alpha.
Okay. Let me check. I'll check it. Just wait for some time. I'll check it. Huh? Right now, this is the diagram. Okay. You take this angle to be phi. So this is alpha. Okay, na? Snehita.
Sir, is tan phi is equals to Vm cos alpha by Vm sin alpha minus Vr?
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you, sir.
So I will take velocity of rain as appearing to the woman. We know the equation, that is velocity of rain as appearing to the ground minus velocity of women with respect to ground. Correct? So velocity of rain as appearing to the ground is how much? It is same, right? It's not going to change. So Vr minus j cap minus of velocity of women with respect to ground. You see, this component is minus. This is also minus. Right? So I have to write minus Vw cos alpha I cap minus Vw sin alpha j cap. Okay. So I'll take Vr. You see here, now this minus minus becomes plus. So minus Vr plus Vw sin alpha j cap. I hope everybody got clarity. Plus Vw cos alpha I cap. Now since you have taken this angle to be phi, so how much tan phi is going to come? Tan phi is going to come Vw cos alpha divided by Vw sin alpha minus Vr. Is that okay? Okay, thank you. Ignesh Baba, okay? Fine. बोल भाई.
सर थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा सा क्या?
ऊपर लो सर.
अरे यार ये ऊपर नीचे करते करते मेरे को ही उठा देगा यार तुम लोग.
सर थोड़ा बस.
इधर ही रुको.
हाँ सर.
अच्छा ठीक है. हो गया.
हाँ सर.
चलो अभी now I am giving you one case. कितना तक हो गया रे? चलो पेज चेंज कर लेते हैं. Fine. Now this is your exercise. How to do? Suppose चपुरा बाबू.
Sir, could you show one's previous page?
अरे यार. Okay.
Okay, sir.
అయిపోయింది. Okay. So this is the inclined plane. You know, this angle is 37 degree. हाँ आकाश भाई.
नॉट एबल टू सी सर. एक बार पीछे दिखा सकते हैं क्या? मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं था अभी.
वो पहले वाला पेज
यस सर, लास्ट एग्जांपल.
हो गया. जल्दी स्क्रीनशॉट मार ले.
यस सर. सर ऊपर जाइए.
अरे तुम लोग पुष्कर को देख के सीखो एक बार. फटक मतलब इतना अच्छा प्रैक्टिस हो गया ना स्क्रीनशॉट मार मार के. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता है. पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ कितने सारे केस खाया हुआ है. राइट नो. स्माइल देख एक बार. पूरा एकदम काश्मीरी एप्पल.
थैंक यू सर. हो गया.
Okay. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. So now let me frame this question. So now rain is falling like this. Tuck, 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 tuck. So suppose this is a different kind of hilly area. Let us say this is in Mausinram. Anyone has gone to that place? Mausinram? If you get a chance, must visit. Put it on the first list. Cherrapunji is the place with the world's highest rainfall. Okay, visit once. क्या यार खाली हैदराबाद और वारंगल के बीच में जाते रहते हो. बाहर में घूमो. बिरयानी और डोसा की बाहर भी बहुत बड़ा दुनिया है यार. देखो एक बार. चलो anyway, I love this place also. I was got stunned when I visit that place, Gandikota Fort. It's an awesome place, but it's tremendously neglected by the government. So this person is working, let us say, with 4 meter per second. He will die 2 meter per second. Okay, and rain is falling at 20√2 meter per second. So I am giving the question. Read the question very carefully and then solve. Find the direction in which umbrella should be pointed. So just go by the vector resolution method. First you take the vector v, rain with respect to ground, and then take horizontal and vertical component. Similar to that you take for the person, take horizontal vertical component and then you add. Okay na? Sanath, is there Mausinram in your background? नहीं, मुझे तो गन्ने का खेत नजर आ रहा है यार। Sanat, I am asking what is there in your virtual background? Is there a jungle? You don't know? Okay, fine. Once you are moving your head, it is looking horrific actually. Chalo, everyone tried? So first you write velocity of the rain with respect to ground. How much will it be? It will be 20 I cap minus 20 j cap. Is that okay? Everybody got this? Okay, no? Fine. Yeah. So then you calculate what is velocity of the person with respect to ground. That will be equal to 2 cos 37 degree. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. So it becomes 8 by 5 I cap plus 3 by 5 means 6 by 5 j cap. I hope this is also fine for everyone. Then what is the velocity of rain as appearing to the person? It is velocity of rain as appearing to ground minus velocity of person with respect to ground. So how much will it be? It will be 20 minus 8 by 5 I cap minus this minus means it will be plus. So 20 plus 6 by 5 j cap. Is that okay? Any doubt, please? Yes, Atik, tell me.
So 45 degree from the horizontal.
Okay, I'll check. Just wait for some time. I'll check. Shrutik sir.
Sir, if they didn't mention angle, then we should take perpendicular, sir.
They will mention. They will definitely mention. They will put either vertically up or vertically down. They will mention definitely.
Okay.
Okay, right? Yeah. So how much this is coming? 192 by 5 I cap minus 106 by 5 j cap. Please everyone check the calculation. I am an expert in doing blunder in calculation, so please check. Akash?
Sir, the velocity of person with respect to ground, is it 8 by 5 j cap, sir? No, sir.
No, I cap
Sir,
only.
3 by 2 I cap, sir. J cap.
No. 2 into 3 by 5, na? So 6 by 5 only.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. So now you see, I'm going to calculate what is this unit vector. So velocity of rain as appearing to the person cap is equal to 92 by 5 I cap minus 106 by 5 106 by 5 j cap divided by a very small term, root under of 92 by 5 whole square plus 106 by 5 whole square. Okay, fine. So the umbrella must be pointed opposite to VRP cap. Okay, na? So even if you take the vector diagram into account, rain is falling initially like this. This is velocity of rainfall with respect to ground. the person was trying to move up. So I have to take minus of this, correct? Because of which this will be the resultant. This will be the resultant. And this angle, if it is phi, इतना मोटा कहाँ से बन गया रे? If this angle is phi, then I can write this one is basically velocity of rain with respect to person cap. Umbrella must be in this direction. In this direction. That is minus of VR cap, no? Negative of this, no? So umbrella must be pointed opposite to this. So my answer will be minus VR comma P cap. So the answer I can write to be minus 92 by 5 I cap Hey, hang on, is this coming like this? Because this component x has to be positive only, no? Where we have gone wrong? Person with respect to ground is this. Rain with respect to ground is this one. Okay. No, opposite means if it is opposite, then this is coming plus only, na? So plus, this is plus 106 by 5 j cap divided by root under of root under of 92 by 5 whole square plus 106 by 5 whole square. Snehita, tell me.
Sir, may I know how did you take plus 106 by 5 j cap?
Because you see this direction. You see, this is opposite to this direction, na? So if you take the component, x is coming to be positive, y is also coming to be positive. Is that okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt, please? Yes, Sutik sir, tell me.
So once how you took VRP is equals to 92 by 5 I cap minus 106 by 5 J cap and divided by under.
This vector I already got here, na?
Yes, sir, you got it, sir. Up to the
Then I'm taking, I'm just using the formula how to find out the unit vector. That vector by
okay,
magnitude of that.
Okay, got it.
Understand, na? It's clear
Okay,
now? Yeah, right.
Okay. I didn't observe it. Unit.
Yeah. Fine. No issue. No problem. Chalo, one more question. Let's see who can do. This angle is, let us say, 53 degree. Okay, no? Fine. Let it be 53 degree. What I will do is this. And suppose water is falling like this. This is the rainfall direction. It's a bad direction. Let us say it's falling like this. And this angle is given to be 30 degree. Let's say it is 40 meter per second. Okay. And a person is coming down. With 4 meter per second. Same, replicate the previous case. Replicate the previous case. Do it, please. Anyone with the answer, please? Chalo, there is no hurry. Take time, do it. Cherry madam, okay, okay, we'll see. Yogananda,
Sir, is it 100 root 3 plus 12 by 5 I cap plus 84 by j 84 by 5 j cap divided by under root 100 root 3 plus 12 whole square plus 84 square whole divided by 5.
chalo, I will check. So this is huge halo coming. So first of all, velocity of rain with respect to ground, how much it is coming to be? 40 sine 30 means 20 I cap minus 20 root 3 j cap. Haas nahi tha, okay, I'll check. Well tried, very good. So now velocity of the person with respect to ground is equal to this is 4 cos 53. 4 cos 53 means 12. 12 by 5. 12 by 5 I cap minus This is minus. Yeah, minus. This is 4 into 4 by 5, 16 by 5 jk. Okay, right? Now, velocity of rain as appearing to the person is equal to, we know the formula, velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of person with respect to ground. Yes, Akash ji?
Sir, can you explain how you got the velocity of person with respect to ground?
Are Baba,
The components, sir.
x component, y component.
Sir, 53 degree where it is.
This is 53 degree.
Okay, so how you got that, sir?
Arey,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
now I will beat you. This is simplest geometry. Alternating angles, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, so velocity of rain with respect to ground is how much? That we got minus 20 I cap minus 20 root 3 j cap. Okay. Final minus of this is 12 by 5 I cap minus 16 by 5 j cap. Yes, Cherry.
Hello,
Sure.
sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when we are taking velocity of rain with respect to ground,
Hmm.
I cap is cos 30, no, sir. 20 cos 30, no, sir.
No. This angle is 30, na?
Yes, sir.
This is sine.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So this is coming to be 20 plus 12 by 5 ante minus of 112 by 5 I cap. Yes. Okay. Okay, Snehita. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Calculation mistake can happen. And this one will come to be plus of. You see, this is coming to be 16 minus 100 root 3 by 5 j cap. Okay, so this is very rain with respect to person. Correct. So if you check it now, I will take the diagram. This is V rain with respect to person. So this is V minus of V person with respect to ground. So this vector is V rain as appearing to the person. Now you see, this is the direction where umbrella should be putting. Correct. So if I this direction as U cap, U refers to the umbrella. So you check it carefully. In this direction, X component is coming to be positive, Y component is also coming to be positive. So you have to be a little bit careful. So U cap will be 112 by 5 I cap, right? And this minus will be changed to plus direction. So you have to do 100 root 3 minus 16 by 5 j cap divided by root under of 112 by 5 whole square plus 100 root 3 minus 16 by 5 whole square. That will be the answer. Yeah, Cherry, tell me.
Forgot to lower my hand.
Okay. Yes, Sujit.
Sir, but I didn't understand, sir.
Which part?
Both x-axis and y-axis are positive.
you-
U cap, sir. Diagram.
Just check. See what I'm telling. If to the person rain is falling in this direction, he has to hold his umbrella in this direction, no, to avoid the rain.
Yes, sir.
So this is, I'm telling U cap, right? If you take the X component of U cap, is it plus or minus?
Plus, sir.
Plus. If
Positive.
you take Y component of U cap, is it plus or minus?
Positive, sir.
That's why I have taken both positive. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Clear to everyone? Did you get it? Yes, David?
Sir, why have you multiplied again y component with negative, sir?
Which negative?
With minus sign.
Where? This one?
Yes, sir.
This one will automatically come negative, no? 16 minus 100 root 3 will be negative only. This number is greater than 16, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you get it
Yes,
now?
sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Or else, if you have doubt, I will do like this. You take this minus, this plus, and here you take this minus. That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. So, yeah, that's enough. Now, do it. Narana material only. Everyone solve. Akash, tell me.
Sir, for first one, it will be 2 meter per second north, sir, because relative velocity should be 0, sir, along
Yeah,
the
yeah.
axis, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir.
Finish all three questions. After that, I will take the answer. First, finish all three. Vignesh, finish all three first. Atik, tell me the answer.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Atik. Tell me.
So 65th second, 66th fourth.
Yeah, 65th is second, correct answer. 66th is fourth, correct answer. And 64th,
So second.
second, correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, Nikhil, tell me.
Same, sir.
Okay, very good. Fine. Vignesh.
Same, sir, as Atik said.
Okay. Akash.
Sir, can you explain 66th one?
Definitely explain.
Okay, sir.
Shashivardhan.
Sir, meaning of topless car means?
Which one? Which one?
Meaning of topless car.
Topless car means the hood is missing.
Oh, then it is a car. Okay.
Yeah, it's a car. All those costly Mercedes Benz. Then you have those Murcielago. What else? I forgot all those costly.
Instead of closing the shed, he has opened the umbrella.
Yes, Aston Martin.
He is real scientist, sir.
Yeah, you know, but there is a reality actually. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, the costliest brand in the world, that is Rolls Royce, they offer even an umbrella inside the car. There is a Rolls Royce umbrella inside Rolls Royce car. So it's okay. It's a royal thing. No? Physics is always a royal thing.
That's correct, sir.
Yeah. Chalo, Akash has requested me to do question number 66. Okay. So just take simple thing. This is the speed, velocity of the man with respect to ground. He holds an umbrella at an angle 37 vertical so that it does not get wet. The rain drops vertically downwards. See, this is the original direction. Velocity of the rain has appeared the ground, but he is having it in this direction. So here he is taking the umbrella, right? And this angle they have said to be 37 degree. I hope Akash now you can do it. If there is 37 degree, this angle is also going to be 37 degree. Okay, now Akash, you can do it now. Yeah, fine. Right. So let's go for another two. Yeah. Shall we go and do these two? Yes, Mr. Rao.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, increase the paper size, sir.
Which one? Which one?
Sir,
This one.
17th and 18th, sir.
Font size, huh?
Yes, sir, font size.
Is okay now?
So vertically,
Vertically. Okay.
upwards.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Dixit, are you watching movie? Anyone can tell me the answer? Yes, Puneet, I'll check. Yes, Preetam. Sunita, tell me.
Sir, 17th one, I think 10 I cap minus 10 J cap.
Yeah, correct. 10 root 2 is the answer. Correct.
And the direction is 135 degrees.
45 degree. Okay, magnitude is 45. That's fine.
Ah.
Yeah. So So this is 10 root 2 meter per second and theta is equal to 45 degree. That's okay. Perfect answer. Vignesh.
Sir, I got also same.
Yeah, okay, fine, good. Pritam.
Sir, even I got same.
Okay, fine, very good. Chalo, go for the 18th one. Yes, Shashivardhan.
Sir, cos inverse of 1 by 3, sir, 70.5 degrees.
18th one.
18th one, sir, yes.
Yeah, check once again. Check once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so somebody is asking me to explain 17th. 17th, you see, velocity of the rain as appearing to the boy is equal to 10 minus j cap. Velocity of boy with respect to ground is equal to 10 I cap. So velocity of rain with respect to ground will be velocity of rain with respect to boy plus velocity of boy with respect to ground. That simply comes to be 10 I cap minus 10 j cap. That's it. Everyone check 18th one. Okay, I got few answers already. Yes, Shashivardhan, tell me.
Sir, cos inverse of 1 by 3 only, sir, I'm getting.
Atik, Veda.
So tan inverse 3.
Very good, excellent. Snehita,
Same, sir. Tan inverse of 3.
excellent, excellent. Dinesh,
Same answer, sir.
very good, excellent. Nikhil,
Sir, tan inverse of 3. This is Vignesh.
okay, Vignesh Anna, correct, excellent. Okay, Puneet, very good, very good. It is simply tan theta is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 3. Okay, no? Fine? Is that okay? Yeah. Yes, please.
का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है
कौन सा?
सर ऊपर के क्वेश्चन से ना 3 वो
अबे तेरे पास मटेरियल है ना नारायण का?
हाँ सॉरी सर सॉरी
बात सॉरी नारायण मटेरियल का क्वेश्चन है. Okay, चलो, that's all. चलो, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Atik, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in the same exercise 68th question.
Tell me tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow in the afternoon session, tell me. Or else you send me in the WhatsApp. I'll check and I'll send. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Snehita,
Sir, once will you scroll up so I can take screenshot?
it's done, na? Scrolled up already.
No, sir. I mean scroll down, scroll down.
Okay, okay. Look, it is not responding. Just a minute. Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chalo everyone, bye. See you tomorrow. Till that time, enjoy your time. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.